Good morning, students. The question is line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. O is the midpoint of AD, that is D. This one C. O is the midpoint of AD. Show that triangle AOB congruent triangle DOC. And second one, O is also the midpoint of BC. So solution. So number one, in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, angle BAO equal to angle CDO. This one alternate angle AB parallel to CD. AD is the transversal line. Therefore, this angle is equal of that one. That is means alternate angle. That is BAO equal to CDO. OA equal to OD, because O is the midpoint of AD and midpoint divides a line into two equal parts. Angle AOB equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. So triangle AOB congruent triangle DOC, angle side angle by ASA rule. So number one proved. Now number two, O is the midpoint of BC. OB equal to OC by CT. As I put that one congruent, so after congruent, these two are the parts of the congruent triangle. Therefore, we can write that one by CT, which you have to prove that one. So hence O is the midpoint of BC. So second one proved. E and F are respectively the midpoints of equal sides AB and AC of triangle ABC, so that BF equal to CE. Now see the solution. So in triangle A, B, A and triangle ACE, AB equal to AC, that is given angle A is equal to angle A, common angle A is common for both the triangle AA equal to AE, AB equal to AC, that is given. So 1 by 2 AB equal to 1 by 2 AC. Half of AB is AE, half of AC is AB, that side AC. B half of AC. AA half of AC, AA and half of AB, AE. So triangle ABA, congruent triangle ACE by SAS rule. These two triangles become congruent, so BA equal to CE, which you have to put, by CPCT. Proved. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is given. D and E are the points on BC such that BE is equal to CD, and so that AD is equal to AE. Now see the solution. In triangle ABD and triangle ACE, AB equal to AC, that is given in question. Angle B equal to angle C. The reason angles opposite to equal sides are equal. AB equal to AC, therefore AB is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. BD is equal to CE, as in question BE equal to CD is given. Now subtracting DE from both sides, CD minus DE. Subtracting DE from both sides, the BE minus DE, BE minus DE, which is equal to BD, and here CD minus DE, which is equal to CE. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE by SAS rule. So AD equal to AE. AD is the side of triangle ABD and AE is the side of triangle ACE. So AD equal to AE by CP CT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This you will write after you prove that one congruent. So which you have to prove it, you got that one, that proved. P and Q are points on opposite sides of AB such that each of them is equidistant from the points A and D. Show that the line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now see the figure. A, B, P, Q, C. So AB is a line segment. P and Q are points on opposite side of AB, such that each of them is equidistant from the point A and B, so that the line PQ is perpendicular bisector AB. Now see the solution. In triangle PAQ and triangle PBQ, AP equal to BP, given AQ equal to BQ, that is also given PQ equal to PQ, that is common side. Therefore triangle PAQ congruent triangle PBQ by SSS rule. Angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ by CPCT. In triangle PAC and triangle PBC, PAC and PBC, AP equal to BP, that is given angle APC equal to angle BPC. Since APQ is equal to BPQ, which you have to prove here, so angle APC is equal to angle BPC. PC equal to BC, that is common side. Therefore triangle PAC congruent triangle PBC by SAS rule. AC equal to BC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Angle ACP equal to angle BCP. This one is also by CPCT. AC equal to BC, ACP equal to BCP. Angle ACP plus angle BCP 180 degree. Reason linear pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree. So ACP equal to BCP. So in place of BCP you can write ACP 180 degree. So 2 angle ACP equal to 180 degree. Angle ACP equal to 180 degree by 2, divide by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. So what you got? AC equal to BC, angle ACP or angle BCP, each is 90 degree. So when two parts are equal to each other and angle here is 90 degree, then PQ is a perpendicular bisector of AB. Proved. So this part is equal of that one. Angle between them, this angle each is equal to 90 degree. So PQ is a perpendicular bisector of AB, which you have to